Hello students, let us solve the above question from organic chemistry. So the question is, how many acids you can consider to get the isobutane from decarboxylation process. So before solving this question, we need to know what is decarboxylation and what is isobutane also. Okay, these two things we need to learn first. So decarboxylation, the term De indicates the removal. Whenever you're trying to remove some group from a molecule or a compound, we use the term D. So here decarboxylation indicates the removal of CO2 or carbon dioxide. And isobutane, butane is a hydrocarbon which contains 4 carbons. And these 4 carbons, when they are arranged, 3 carbons in one plane, and the fourth carbon, when it is attached to the second carbon either from the left or from the right, such arrangement, L-shaped arrangement, is said to be iso arrangement. And since there are 4 carbons, you call it as isobutane. Now, how can you obtain isobutane from two different acids? The acids that we consider should contain 5 carbons, because on removal of one CO2, we will be getting the compound with less of 1 carbon. Okay, so 5 carbons minus 1 carbon, we get 4 carbons out of it. So what kind of acids we can take here? We can consider one acid which is this type. Which, what kind of arrangement is this? Similar to isobutane, which is isopentanoic acid. And one more compound that we consider here is this kind of arrangement. So we are familiar with the first kind of arrangement, that is iso. But what is the second one? This is considered to be neo group. When one carbon is surrounded by 4 different carbons on all sides, then it is said to be neo. Since both the compounds are containing 5 carbons, then the name is neopentanoic acid and isopentanoic acid here. Isopentanoic acid. Okay, now we need to start our process called decarboxylation. So I'll remove CO2 from this compound, at the same time CO2 from this compound. Now write down the remaining part of the molecule. So we get C, C, C. Everything has to be the same, but only removal of CO2. So this is our remaining compound from first one, and from the second one, this is our remaining compound. So look at both the molecules that are obtained from isopentanoic acid and neopentanoic acid. It is the same structure that we are talking about, which is isobutane. So we have got isobutane from two different acids which contain 5 carbons, but the arrangement is different. Okay, so how many number of compounds are required? How many number of acids you can use to get the isobutane? The answer is 2. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.